my name is Tess. I'm the Chief Operations Officer of Humans in the Loop, and I joined in September of 2019. Our Humans in the Loop workforce is here to help collect and annotate the highest quality training data, and then validate and correct model predictions. We provide services across 3 key areas of computer vision. First one being dataset collection, where we collect, generate, and curate any type of data and deliver a ready-to-use dataset for our clients. So if a group or a client is looking for a custom or machine learning dataset, our workforce can help by collecting, validating, and curating a bias-free dataset that is as close as possible to their use case. The data is then further curated by us to ensure maximum relevance and variety. Second being dataset annotation. So if a dataset is already available, we can help by labeling their dataset. And we provide different types of annotation services, one being bounding box annotation, polygonal annotation, key point annotation, cuboid, 3D pose annotation, etc. So if a client already has their own dataset, our Human in the Loop workforce can help curate and annotate their dataset. But if a client already has their own tool, we are pretty flexible and we can plug in our workforce in their platform. We can also suggest other platforms, whether it be open source or free or enterprise grade platforms, or we use our own tool. For tools that we suggest to the clients, it could also be at their disposal so that they can check the quality of the annotation in real time. The last one is model validation. So when a machine learning model already exists, we can test the model on new data and collect wrong predictions, as well as handle edge cases in real time. When a client already has a machine learning model, they can use our services to verify the outputs in batches or in real time. When the model is running on real-world data, our Human in the Loop workforce can go through the model predictions and correct false positives and false negatives. And then we review the model prediction, and we could also provide analytics, data analytics to the client, and inform them of low performance classes and gather additional data to help improve them. So Humans in the Loop is an award-winning social enterprise which was established with the main purpose of providing dignified working opportunities to vulnerable groups, conflict-affected people, and to those who need them the most, as an alternative to government aid or reliance to government aid and humanitarian aid. So choosing an impact sourcing data labeling provider, as we are, is a great way to create a social impact whilst obtaining high quality work or high quality data. Second, as an impact service provider, we have methodologies for recruitment and management of our workforce for the vulnerable group who are frequently provided with supervision and career development opportunities. We also aim to upskill our workers and equip them with transferable skills. Therefore, the quality of the data is significantly higher than that of crowdsourcing platforms. Lastly, our annotators are also guaranteed dignified working conditions and fair remuneration for their work. We comply with minimum payment standards, and we also ensure the well-being of our workforce. We've assisted companies in several different industries with their data input needs. Just to name a few, we've worked with the retail industry like supermarket, fashion. We've worked with industrial and manufacturing industry, agri-tech and food, insurance or insurtech and automotive industry, facial verification, surveillance, just to name a few.